Athani, HOD of Computer Department. So already the previous practical videos are uploaded. In this practical number 15, that is networking, based on networking basics. So we will see here. So already experiment number 14 is on networking and basics, and 15 is also the based on networking basics. So practical number 15, write a program to demonstrate the use of URL and URL connection class and its methods. Practical significance, that is practical significance, the uniform resource locator in Java allows the user to access the particular file or resource which might be stored or any of the local or remote machine. The URL specifies the complete path by which user can access the file. Is it clear? The URL means Uniform Resource Locator in Java allows the user to access the particular file or the resource which is present in the local or remote machine. The URL specifies the complete path by which user can access the file. It contains the protocol address, port number and the location of the particular resource. You can access that file. Second one, relevant program outcome, the basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and communication. These are the relevant program outcomes. Next is competency and practical skills. To develop program using URL and URL connection class, the practical is expected to develop the following skills: able to identify different types of ports and protocols, able to develop application using URL and URL connection class. Here in this practical we will see the different types of ports and the protocols, and what are the application developed by URL and URL connection class, and what are the course outcomes, develop Java program using networking components. Practical outcomes, that is PROs, write a program to demonstrate URL and URL connection class and its method. Relevant effective domain related outcomes, precautionary measures, follow naming conventions and follow ethical practices. Relevant effective domain related outcomes, that is already seen that minimum theoretical background, the URL provides easy to understand format to uniquely identify or the address information on the internet. URLs are simple. Every browser uses them to identify the information on the web. URL class provides a simple, concise API to access the information across the internet using URLs. URL connection is a class which is used to access the attributes of remote resource. And once we made a connection to the remote resources, we can ready to use URL connection to check the properties of remote object before actually transporting it locally. The URL and URL connection classes are good enough for simple programs that want to connect to the HTTP server to fetch the content. List of URL class, methods and constructors. Public URL parameters are protocol, string, host, port and the file throws the malformed URL exception. So you have to remember the exception handled by this URL class, that is malformed URL exception. You are supposed to write like this only, predefined exception it is. And then second, URL contains the three parameters. One is the protocol and then host name and the file name. And next third is you have to pass the URL address, and next is fourth is URL context and URL string. The methods here, get path, get authority, get host and get file, these are the methods present in this URL class. And see that program code, teacher must assign a separate program statement to group of 3 to 4 students. Here the below program is there. they are given the file name and you have to identify it. So here I have given this URL. First you have to create the object of the URL. New URL, you have to give the what path URL name, and get protocol, the protocol will be retrieved, and get port if you are not mentioned port number, it retrieves the -1, and host name and file name. See, we'll see that URL demo class is there. So I have changed the address here, URL demo class. Just I'm run this program and see the output. See. So get protocol, host is what? That is protocol. First you see that. Protocol is what? HTTP, and port number is not mentioned, that's why -1, and host is www.gmail.com, and the file number is index.txt, and then next is what? Two external form means that is the entire file, this one. File name, that is a http www.gmail.com index.txt, whatever the URL address is there, the external form is retrieving. And next is write the use of open connection method of URL connection class. The open connection method of URL class opens the connection to the specified URL and URL connection instance that represents a connection to the remote object referred by URL. Is it clear? Open connection method is used to connection between the remote object. And then it should be noted that the URL connection instance does not establish the actual network connection of the creation. This will happen only when calling URL connection dot connect object. URL connection open connection returns the URL connection instance that represents the connection to the remote object referred by the URL. Returns URL, that is a linking to the URL, and that throws the IO exception, and name the package in which the URL class is defined, that is import.java.net package. Write a program using URL class to retrieve the host and protocol, port and file name. So here in this example they are given this URL address. So this URL address you are supposed to retrieve all the parameters. For that you have to create the object of the URL. URL class throws the malformed URL exception. That's why you are written throws malformed URL exception. First you have to create the URL object. New URL you have to pass this URL address, and after that you have to retrieve all the parameters present in this URL address. Protocol, get protocol, and you are retrieving through this URL object. So see here the object of the URL is obj, that's why we are using this object. Dot then get protocol is a method to retrieve the protocol, get port and get host and then get file. So here port is optional, you may use or may not use. If you are using that will retrieve the port number, otherwise it retrieves the -1. In previous example we have seen that retrieves the port number as -1 because we did not mention that port number. So here port number is optional, and again next is what? Get host. And what is the host name? www.msbt.org.in. And what is the file? Here after the host name the file is there, so that file name is retrieving. That will complete your practical number 15.